امریکی صدر ڈونلڈ ٹرمپ نے تہران سے غیر مشروط سرینڈر کا پھر مطالبہ کر دیا. باور کرا دیا کہ ایران 40 سال سے امریکہ مرد آباد، اسرائیل مرد آباد کہہ رہا ہے. کوئی نہیں جانتا کہ امریکہ کیا کرنا چاہتا ہے. ہو سکتا ہے کہ اس سے بڑی کارروائی ہو. ڈونلڈ ٹرمپ نے اگلا ہفتہ اہم قرار دے دیا.
Iran's got a lot of trouble and they want to negotiate. And I said, why didn't you negotiate with me before all this death and destruction? Why didn't you negotiate? I said to the people, why didn't you negotiate with me 2 weeks ago? You could have done fine. You would have had a country. It's very sad to watch this. I mean, I've never seen anything like it. It's so, you know, everyone thought it was going to be the reverse. I didn't think so. And I was telling them, you gotta do something. You gotta negotiate. I said, it's very late. You know? I said, it's very late to be talking. We may meet. It's I don't know. There's a big difference between now and a week ago, right? Big difference.